Assalamu alaikum 7th class students. D2 Maths exercise number 1C question number 13 advanced level today. Yes students, question number 13 would let's see that what question number 13 says. 12 glass blowers can make 12 identical vases in 9 minutes. Assuming that all the glass blowers work at the same rate, how long will it take 8 glass blowers to make 32 such vases? Students, 12 glass blowers can make 12 identical vases. In this question, basically, in starting of the exercise number 1C, in first 12 questions, there were just only two variables were there, but in this question there are three variables. First is glass blowers, second is vases, and the third is minutes. Here are three. So what to do? We have to find out one value is missed here. Which value is missed here? Here it will take 8 glass blowers are here and 32 vases are here, but minutes are to find because double data is there. One data is this one. Here three all variables are given. One data is this one. Here two variables are given, but one is to find out. So first of all, we will what to do? We have to take three variables and one we have to keep constant. Okay students, the three variables are number of glass blowers, number of vases, and number of minutes. Now first we keep the number of vases constant. First of all, we have to take one variable constant we have to keep by ourselves. So number of glass blowers were, firstly these are 12, so we will write 12 first. Number of vases, how many number of vases? It's also 12, so we will write 12. How many minutes? Minutes are 9. As glass blowers are 12, identical vases are 12, and 9 minutes. Minutes are 9. Now vases are constant. Vases are constant. These will be remain constant, means 12. And glass blowers are 12 here. 12 persons will take 9 minutes to make 12 vases. But if we want to find out that if one person will make 12 the same vases in how many minutes, we have to find the time, because firstly 12 were doing work and they were taking 9 minutes to make this object. Now one person is there, he has to do all persons work, and work is the same, means objects are same, 12 are there, it's constant. He has to make how much time it will take, we have to find out that. 9 minutes he will take his on, and we will multiply by 12, क्योंकि देखिए स्टूडेंट्स 9 मिनट्स तो वो अपने लिए ले लेगा ना, क्योंकि 12 मिनट्स तो वो जो है वो 12 पर्सन्स लेते हैं, सॉरी 9 मिनट्स तो 12 पर्सन्स लेते हैं कितने वेजेस बनाते हुए, 12 बनाते हुए. तो हम क्या करेंगे, वी विल मल्टीप्लाई 9 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 12. Okay, after that in second data, how many glass blowers is 8 are there, 8 glass blowers. Vases are constant because it's constant, so it will remain 12. Now now number of persons glass blowers are 8, means first of all these were 12, now we have taken 1, it is now 8. Means if one person is doing this work, if it is distributed in 8 persons, it means it will be divided on 8, so 8 will be divided. Clear? So after dividing 8, what we got, 4 3 times and 4 2 times, 9 3 times, 27 by 2, and we got 13.5. We got 13.5 because we have divided 9 3 times 27, 2 13 times 26, 1.5 times 10. That is 13.5 minutes they will take to make 12 ways. Okay, next move towards. Now students, we keep the number of glass blowers constant. Firstly, we took vases constant, now glass blowers constant. We have written this data: number of glass blowers, number of vases, and number of minutes. But we will use this last data in the next round. We will use this last previous one, we will just leave it. We will use the last line. So the last data is number of glass blowers are 8, number of vases are 12, and number of minutes are 13.5. 8 glass blowers, 12 vases, and 13.5 its number of minutes. Okay, now we have taken this constant, it will remain constant. These are 8, but if you want to find out the one vase, 8 glass blowers will make one vase, how much time they will take? It's 13.5 total. It means it will be divided by 12, and it will be divided by 12. Now in second data, it is constant, always constant. In second data, how many vases are there? 32 vases, and we have to find the time for these 32. So for 32 vases, what to do? 13.5 divided by 12, we will multiply it with 32. Okay students, we will multiply it with 32. 2 6 16 2 8 2 3 times. After multiplying and dividing, we got answer is 36 minutes. We got. Now students, it was required to find 8 glass blowers will take 36 minutes to make 32 vases. As it was given that how much time it will take, 32 vases were given, 8 glass blowers were given, but time was not given. It was required to find. So we have found 36 minutes will take. So students, this is question number 13 of 1C. Next 14 is as it is. This with the same method you will solve by yourself. Practice it frequently first and solve on your register. In question number 14 you will solve by yourself. Inshallah, in next lecture we will start the next. Till then, Allah Hafiz.